I have to come back. Let me answer a few people that have been asking questions. Initially, when we went to Panti to see the police people there and, raise our voice and all that, was because they wanted to release Baba Ijesha and sweep the matter under the carpet. And we asked all these questions. Who is giving the order? What are his bills and conditions? Who is standing in for him? We got no reply. And when we went there, they told us that he's still there, that they are not releasing him. So we had to make sure that even if they're going to release him, they should release him the proper way. Are you understanding me? He needs to be accountable for what he has done to that girl. Not that they will not release him under the carpet and they will start looking for him. Nobody will be able to say, oh, this is how it happened. This is who stood in. This is what was said. Are you understanding? So now that they have given all the conditions for his bail, it's still very understandable. The fact is, somebody is standing in for him. At the end of the day, when court sits, the matter goes to court. So the most important thing is that they are doing it the right way. Are you understanding? Not like before. They just want to release him because he's a celebrity, or because some people have empathy for him. I don't believe in any sentimental bullshit when it comes to children, and I've said it again, and I'm saying it again. Are you understanding me? Now, for those of you who wants to buy my house, yeah, my house is beautiful. Please, can you go to Megamon? Get to Megamon and tell them that you want to buy Iyabo house. I'm a businesswoman. I will gladly sell you my house and make cool cash out of you. And I will buy another one. You understand? So, I don't plan to even live here forever. I plan to buy something bigger and better than this. So, if you want to buy my house, I'm ready to sell. Just come to Megamon and say you want to buy Iyabo house. They will ask you all the necessary questions. Once they see you have the right money, you understand? Then they will call me up. My lawyer will go to them. We will sell to you. In fact, if you want to buy everything in my house, safe. If you don't want me to move with anything, I will sell it to you. You understand? It's not a problem. She understand? She gets here. And it gets here. You understand? And trust me, all you fake ass people doing coming on my page and writing rubbish. I'm not a plugger. You write rubbish on my page, I'll block you. I don't want to know you. You write rubbish on my page, someone comes, you smile on that. What to smile at, what to call, I'll be blocking for you. Are you getting me? Are you following me? Yeah? And yeah, but that Shaggy, I'm a fair person. Tiba lo sinu, tiba lo yashe. She understand? Color me my chain for the meantime. So, as you are, go and stand under the sun, run under the sun, act under the sun, and see what will happen to your skin tone at that point in time. Hello? Mo fresh ju mom singing log on, and mom singing people le dúró síbi tí bá dúró sí o. She understand what I mean? So, àwọn girlfriend yín gan wọn le dúró. Tí bá túlẹ̀ gan, àwọn gan ní lè dúró máa sá lọ ni, wọ́n kó skin mi jẹ bí Indomie. Ọmọ fresh, ó má dín gidi gan. Ó ti yé? So, all that one that you people are coming on my page, all you child molesters, pedophile, rapists coming under my page and writing rubbish. I don't even want you on my page as a fan. You understand? I don't even want. If you're in support of what that guy did, I don't even want you to follow me, please. It's better you do yourself a favor and follow me, block me, because I will block you. You get what I'm saying? I ain't backing down. That matter is still going to court. It's already there, safe. Are you understanding me? So, all of you coming on my page saying rubbish, wanting, you understand? I ain't moved by it. Oh, yeah, even I ain't moved. We don't consign me, me. What we wanted is what has happened. That matter must not be swept under the carpet. You understand? So, and it's going through the normal process. So you come on my page, you say a whole lot of rubbish. you're talking to yourself. My be blocking fún any straight. My sentence ẹ lọ sí Instagram prison. Mi ò ráyè. All right. So I just need to come and clear the air for those of you who are a bit confused. You understand? So that's what's up. All right, guys. God bless you and have fun. And for those of you who get sense, you understand? God bless you. You guys should be careful, oh, especially mothers, fathers, responsible ones. Your children, be careful. Social media should already tell you the amount of pedophiles and child molesters that we have in this our society. Be careful. Watch over your children very well. Talk to them. You understand? Because it starts from your home. Oh. All those people that come around you that claim to be auntie, brother, sister. It's not only men that molest, so women too, they do it. So you better start checking your children because you understand? So this is the time for you to, you understand, be more, how will I put it, more engaging with your children. Ask them questions, protect them, because this Nigeria, with all this rubbish going on, trust me, you have to be careful with your kids. All right, I gotta go make some cool money. Yeah, so like I said, if you want my house, get to Megamon. Just tell them you want to buy my house, and trust me, if you got the cool cash to do that, I'll sell to you. I'll make money off you. I'm a businesswoman. I love you guys. All right, bye.